Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many classic audio enthusiasts might find incredibly useful: the Skytech Global AC-DC adapter. If you're like him, you probably have an old Sony Discman Walkman gathering dust, not because it doesn't work, but because finding a reliable power source can be a real headache. Well, Skytech steps in to solve exactly that problem. This adapter is specifically designed to be compatible with a range of Sony Discman models, including the DEJ360, DEJ120, DE401, DE456, and DE456CK. That's a pretty broad spectrum, meaning if you own one of these beloved portable CD players, Skytech has you covered. The relief of knowing you can power up your vintage tech without hunting for obscure batteries or original, often expensive, adapters is immense. One of the standout features of this Skytech adapter is its global compatibility. With an input range of 100V to 240V, it's ready for use virtually anywhere in the world. This is fantastic for travelers or anyone who might move between different regions with varying power standards. No need for multiple adapters, this one handles it all. Now, while it's important to note that this is a brand new replacement adapter and not an original Sony product, Skytech hasn't skimped on safety or performance. The adapter comes equipped with crucial safety features: over-voltage output protection, over-current output protection, and short-circuit output protection. These are vital for protecting both the adapter itself and, more importantly, your cherished Discman from any electrical mishaps. It's reassuring to know your device is in safe hands. Beyond safety, the adapter boasts high power exchange efficiency. What does this mean for you? It translates to stable working conditions and better control over the operating temperature. Nobody wants an adapter that gets dangerously hot or provides inconsistent power, and Skytech seems to have addressed these concerns head-on. The construction itself uses durable plastic and metal, giving it a solid feel, and it meets important international specifications like CCC, CE, and RoHS, further cementing its quality and safety credentials. In the package, you'll find just the adapter charger, straightforward and to the point. The manufacturer, Skytech, clearly focuses on delivering a functional, safe, and widely compatible power solution. For anyone looking to bring their classic Sony Discman back to life, or simply ensure it has a reliable power source for years to come, this Skytech Global AC-DC adapter appears to be an excellent choice. It's a practical, well-engineered accessory that bridges the gap between vintage electronics and modern power needs, allowing you to enjoy your favorite CDs without a hitch.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.